The little dodo bird. Green, orange and brown. 31 centimeters tall. 2 small islands. 200 birds left. Critically endangered. But why is this bird dying out? And also, what can we do to help? Don't let its 4 names be forgotten. Save the little dodo bird. What caused the little dodo to be endangered? In the 1980s, there were 7,000 little dodos left, but in 2006, there were only 200. Why is this? What are the leading causes in this dreadful happening that has cooped up this small bird to now only 2 small islands? Cyclones, poaching, introduced species, and deforestation are the main 4 causes making this stunning bird endangered. Deforestation. The deforestation is taking away the little dodo's home and the disoxylum trees they live in, plus the incredibly tough fruit off those trees. Poaching. Did you know that in 1985 humans killed 400 little dodos? Poaching is killing off this bird one by one. Global warming. Global warming is making there be more cyclones, which is destroying the little dodo's habitat. Introduced species. Introduced species like cats, pigs, rats, and dogs are eating the little dodo bird. If all this carries on, then in generations to come, the little dodo will be never heard of again. How does the little dodo bird rely on its environment? The little dodo bird relies deeply on its habitat to survive. If the disoxylum trees or even the fruit of them disappear, then either the little dodo bird will have to adapt completely or the little dodo will die. The little dodo also relies on the high trees to keep away from introduced species and for shelter. What can we do to help? By doing our own part, we can make a change. But how though? By using less paper and pencils. This will lower the amount of trees being cut down. RRR, aka reduce, reuse, recycle, meaning slightly less global warming and less cyclones. What are humans doing to help? It's not just what we can do, it's what we are doing. Humans have made it illegal to poach, and also humans have put up a protection plan for the little dodo. And if anyone is caught harming the little dodo, they will get sent to jail. The little dodo was the 10th most endangered species in the world. But hopefully after a while the little dodo will rise off that list. But the only way that will happen is if we come together and make a change. Save the little dodo bird.